Hello, I've got a switch that I've been replacing. Got a factory switch, I'm pretty sure, from the 920S4, and I've got a new one here, and it looks like when you get the new one, it does not come with this plastic piece here, the connector. So I don't know why it was such a big deal to not provide that, but I looked at the connector and it looks like it'd be fairly easy to pull it out. I grabbed a small screwdriver, eyeglass screwdriver, and I'm pretty sure if I shove it in this channel right here on the top where there is like a slotted area for a screwdriver, if I push it in there and push it in, I'm guessing that piece would pull out. It did. And what I'm going to do is so I don't mess this up in the color code, when I pull the black one out, I'm going to put the new black one in and lock it in place, and then let's do the green one. So again, small flat screwdriver, top section here where the opening's at for I would assume a screwdriver. This one's being a little bit more of a bugger. Not coming. The other one came out perfectly. Just have to keep on trying. Oh, I think that's it. Yep, got it. So then, green for green. And you want to make sure this tab here matches the tab at the top. So there's a tab here and a tab here. And just shove her in there, and you can hear the snap. So got two more to go. Hopefully, yep. There's that one. Looks like brown. Usually it's earth ground in Porsche. And it's not going in, or coming out, excuse me. Try it again. There we go, brown. Get the new brown one. And this time, yeah, the brown, good. Again, follow the notch with the same spot coming out. And, oh, snapped in. Got one left. My son watching our video on this is ready for this to finish as quickly as possible. But the idea is I don't think there was a video out there talking about that. So again, that little notch there, stick it in there. And you'll know once you get it right because it makes a little snapping noise. And sometimes I just kind of, I think that's close. There we go. And then again, my very last one. Notched, so the notch here is the same spot as the notch coming out, and there we go. Looks like they're holding in place, and now I have a new window switch with a new connector on it. Now what I found is with this new connector, the channels are pretty tight. I actually got a little bit bigger screwdriver and just kind of sitting in there a little bit and open it up because the first time of entering the female to male connectors, it's going to be hard to get it to go in. And I also noticed that there's a special area to guide it into, so you place it into the other side perfectly. That's it. Thanks guys. 928S4 Porsche window switch connector installed.